Yeah, looks like another beautiful day in Minnesota, but it's only 28 degrees today. I think it's March 1st. No, it is not. Wouldn't you know it, there's 29 days this month. Leap year. It only happens every 4 years. But it's beautiful out. Absolutely wonderful. Every day is beautiful, I guess, as long as the person will have to be outside working. So I drive truck instead of home builder or construction worker or something. But cream puff, it's too damn cold outside for me. And I'm too lazy to work hard. I like easy job, just driving. On my way to Verizon today to do the usual. Get a new phone. I'm terrible with phones. But it is nice out here. Just beautiful. Very beautiful day. Yeah, I'll let you know if something exciting happens. Yeah, it's not much for a video, but it's so nice out, I just can't help but share it. Maybe I'll get some astrophotography tonight. And a new mount I'm wanting to try out. This is ZWO AM5. See if it'll hold my big Celestron Edge HD 11. It is a gorgeous day. Should almost get my Harley out and introduce you guys to her. But it's still only 30 degrees. I should go to the barber shop. Some work done on these eyebrows. It's about all I'll change. I'm hungry. Probably gonna have to do a Dairy Queen. I don't know if you guys know, but Dairy Queen's my favorite. I like going there. It's my high-end joint when I want to eat something good. Give me a couple double cheeseburgers, large fries, and peanut butter parfait. They're great. Hey, look where we are. We're at the Dairy Queen. Wonder what I'm gonna get. Yeah, can I get a number 9 combo meal with a Coke or Pepsi, whichever? Yep.
Do you have fries on your drinks or cheeseburgers with that today?
What's that?
Do you have fries on your drinks or cheeseburgers with that today?
Well, yeah, it's a combo meal. I think comes with fries, don't it?
It does come with fries. You can upgrade to onion rings or cheeseburgers if you'd like.
No.
Okay. What else can I get for you?
That'll be it.
All right, $9.48, please. Thank you.
Thanks. Huh. I can't even fucking hear people. I don't even think that's my hearing. I think that's just the best they can do. I know I'm old, but I had to dig out some money. Look at that goodness. Boy. Love to have me a double cheeseburger. They are good. Now I'm waiting on Verizon. Their computer's down. Does anybody remember the days when you could do stuff without computers? Same as a lot of places you go, it'll be can't load you, our computer's down. You know, it used to be the worst thing that happened was the forklift ran out of gas. That's what always happened to me. The forklift always run out of gas. Now that happens, and the computer's down, so he can't do nothing. It's no different at Verizon. Well, at least I'm sitting at the Dairy Queen, right where I should be, right by the garbage. Yeah. Pretty boring. I gotta get back in the truck. Back out running around. It's just nice not being working, I guess, but I don't know how I'll take it if I ever do get to retire, which I'll probably have to win the Powerball. That'd be okay though, wouldn't it? Big old hunk of money. Be like Forrest Gump, one less thing to worry about. So truck drivers always want to do, get rich. I don't think anybody makes it, at least with owning one truck. If you own more than one truck, it's just, you ain't gonna get rich there either. Frickin' equipment costs so much, it's hard to find good drivers. I think the reason you can't find good drivers, most drivers already own their own, but nowadays, I don't know. Like in that last video, told you what I think is wrong with the rates. I still think it's that, but I don't know. Maybe guys like me, it's just coming to an end. Well, they want to do anyways. They want trucks driving themselves. I'm all for that. Maybe they should just outlaw trucks. Yeah, just get them off the road. That'll make everything better. I'd sign up. I'd sign a petition for that. Just outlaw trucks. We don't need them on our roads anymore. Seems like a damn good idea to me. And all these damn people go wonder, oh, jeez, nobody's picking up my garbage. I can't get gas for my car. Grocery store don't have no food. I don't need to go to work because they can't ship anything. You know, a lot of people don't realize a lot of us dedicated our whole lives to this, you know. And believe it or not, it is a service to our country. Trucking is the backbone of America, especially nowadays. Do you ever have one of them days where you think the whole world against your damn truck or your profession? You know, they all talk about, you know, first responders, which they got a hard job too, but I don't know, spending your life in the trucking industry is not easy either. And it's pretty dangerous, especially nowadays. A lot of activity around here though. Sit here and trying to enjoy my lunch and just non-stop traffic. Well, I ate my lunch already. The double cheeseburger was good. Probably should quit recording so you guys don't see what happens to my cigarette. Yeah, what cigarette? I don't see anybody smoking around here. There goes a yellow truck. It's a Penske. It's a Penske. Somebody must have got desperate. Boy, it's nice out though. Too bad I'm waiting on Verizon. Well, I can go buy some ammo or gun shop. I could do that. Staples Ace Hardware up here. Very good little gun shop. They usually got what you want. Nice people there too. Try at the Ace Hardware. I'd rather buy from them than anybody.